So we were talking about the importance of employability skills. Let's see the importance one by one. So number one is increased job opportunities. When we talk about increased job opportunities, it means if you will be possessing the different employability skills, you will be having number of options available for the jobs. So what employer seeks in today's scenario is the versatility. Employer seeks candidates with a broad set of skills that can be applied across various roles and industries. So versatility is being asked for, and the other one is marketability. You will be able to market yourself. Having strong employability skill makes you more attractive candidate as compared to other people, and your chance of getting hired is increased. So what happens is you market yourself by adding versatility in your portfolio and in your personality. Next come is the improved job performance. When we talk about the improved job performance, it includes efficiency skills, quality of work. When we talk about efficiency is what? Is a time management skill and problem solving which help you work more effectively and more efficiently in a proper manner. So when improved job performance is being asked, so efficiency is the very important parameter, right? The other comes is the quality of work. What quality of work you are providing to your employer? So are you having good communication skills? You attention to detail and teamwork lead to higher quality outcomes. If you possess good leadership quality, you possess dedication and commitment, and also with the pack of communication, then you stand out in the crowd. So that's increase your chance of getting hired. So improved job performance also helps you in getting promotions, in getting good work profiles, and good recognition and appreciation as well. Moving towards the next importance. Let's see what are the next importance of employability. So next is career advancement. When we talk about career advancement, that means it helps in getting promotional prospects. We get promoted to more good profiles and more leadership roles. So as I mentioned, if you are having the package of communication, leadership qualities, it will give a very strong impact on your employer, and there will more likely you will be considered for promotions and leadership roles. Next comes is career development. These skills enable continuous learning and adaptation, which are essential for long-term career growth. So these skills not only helps you in just improving your skills, but also helps you for long-term career growth. You will be getting good prospects, you will be developing your career and your portfolio also. Next comes is adaptability to change. It is important because technological advances and economic shifts are very important and very common. So as technology evolves, employability skills need to be updated. You must have digital literacy, financial literacy, and you must know how to embrace change. You have to be flexible and adapt according to the current and relevant situation, right? So technological advances helps you to stay connected and updated about the new advancements, and also helps you to uh, produce more efficient work by using technology instead of working manually, right? Next comes is economic shifts. When we talk about economic shifts, we talk about the dynamics in the job market, right? The ability to transfer your skills to different roles or to cater to this different industry is invaluable. So we must understand the importance of economic shifts. right? So the market is dynamic all around. There are a number of jobs, a number of opportunities, but it requires the essential skills. So to reap those opportunities, you must possess those employability skills which are essentials for a particular profile, right? Moving towards the next importance, enhanced job satisfaction. Enhanced job satisfaction includes workplace relationships, job fulfillment. If you will be having a good relationship at workplace with your team members, with your colleagues, with your supervisors, you will be able to uh, achieve the job satisfaction. You will be happily satisfied with your job, as you will be having proper job fulfillment. What job fulfillment over here means? Job fulfillment means that you are competent in your role and can contribute meaningfully. You know your sense of achievement because it enhances your productivity. It enhances your area of improvement. What helps is when you are completely satisfied with your job, you are having very good job satisfaction, you come in a very, you create a very positive work environment around yourself by improving your relationships, improving your interpersonal skills, your communication skills, and better relationship with your co-workers, or we can say superiors and supervisors. So next comes is the greater resilience. Greater resilience here means you will be achieving greater resilience only when you will be able to handle the challenges very tactfully, and you will be able to manage your stress very efficiently, right? So what happens is, to achieve that greater resilience, you need to uh, handle two things: your stress and the challenges which you face at your workplace. Let's study one by one what handling challenges is mentioned over here. Employability skills such as problem solving, resilience, and initiatives help you navigate and overcome workplace challenges. As I mentioned, if you will be having good skills, good problem solving skills, good analytical skills, you will be able to overcome those challenges. Next comes is stress management. As people are from diversified backgrounds, there will be some disputes. There will be some disputes among team members. It may be regarding your task. It may be regarding the duties and responsibilities which may have been assigned to a particular team. So by handling the workload, by completing the task on deadline or before deadline, makes you reduce your stress level and work more effectively, right? As you will be having a very good relationship at your workplace, in that case also you'll be able to manage your stress levels. So building professional network is the next important point in employability skills. The building professional networks. This helps uh, your professional network only will be built when you will be having the strong interpersonal and communication skill, because it will help you to reach the open doors for new opportunities. You will be maintain a good professional network. You will be having good contacts. Then you will be able to reap more opportunities, right? And mentorship. When we talk about networking, it includes the network or the relationship which you have built in your professional front. It can also come through mentorship. Also, you will be able to connect with your mentors, to connect with your superiors, or the your reporting bosses, who will provide you valuable guidance and support. This may also help you to build a good professional network. So everyone needs a mentor in his or her life. So mentorship is very important at all phases of your life, be it from a school going kid to a office going guy, right? So mentorship is required at every stage of your life. Next comes is contribution to organizational success. So organizational success includes team dynamics, innovation, and improvement. When we talk about team dynamics, Team dynamics comprised of individuals with strong employability skills, and they tend to collaborate more effectively, and they are more able to achieve better results, right? So team dynamics here means that you know how to deal with people. As dynamics means different people, diverse mindset, diverse attitude. So you must know how to handle those diversity, and with a very tactfully and without disturbing the harmony and peace of your organization. Next comes innovation and improvement. This includes skills such as creativity and initiative, contributes to continuous improvement of an organization within and outside. So innovation and improvement is very important. You have to learn new ideas, new things, and must try to contribute to continuous improvement so as to produce more good results, right? Let's see. The next importance is it helps in personal growth and development. Employability skills helps in personal growth and development. How? By having self-awareness and lifelong learning. As we are able to learn how to learn from our failure, how to learn from our we can say mistakes, so we are able to improve ourselves. We know where we are lacking, how to control our emotions. So this will all helps us not only to grow professionally, but also it will help in our professional growth, right? So let's see what lifelong learning says. Lifelong learning states that a commitment to develop the skills which fosters a mindset of learning and continuous development. So lifelong learning here means that you are ready to learn throughout your life. You are ready for continuous improvement and learning, because this will help you for the personal growth and development, right? Next is economic and social impact. Economic contribution here means skilled employees contribute to higher productivity and economic growth as compared to unskilled or semi-skilled employee, right? So if a skilled employee will be there, they'll be contributing towards our country's economy as well. Next is community engagement. Community engagement here means that employability skills such as communication, leadership, and teamwork will enhance your ability to engage in and contribute in community and social initiatives. Community and social initiatives include the environment, the society where you are living in. For example, we can say corporate social responsibility is there. What we do, we just do the social, we take the initiatives which help out the society, because we are taking resources from our society, so in return we have to benefit them also, right? Let's see. Now we'll be talking about employment message template. How can we create employment message template? So when we talk about employment message template, we basically talk about the cover letter. In the upcoming sessions, we'll be studying about how a cover letter is written, what is the structure format. As of now, like everything is being artificial intelligence enabled, AI enabled. So AI is helping you in every phase of your organizational journey, or we can say in the journey of your life. That AI is helping in emails also, in LinkedIn messages also, because there are chatbots. They help you how to create a message. They can create a message for you, and you may use them for your cover letter. So when communicating with potential employers, you need a thorough cover letter. So cover letter is important because it tells your area of interest, why you are applying, what role have you played in your past and in your past organization. Everything is mentioned over there. Over there, that means we can say it's a basically your resume at a glance. It's an abstract basically, right? So let's see. Uh, Here it is mentioned that in subject, you have mentioned the application for job title, your name, then the person you are writing, the HR manager, dear, the manager's name. I am writing to express my interest in the job position this, company this, as advertised on. You do mention from where you have came across this particular recruitment advertisement, right? On which date, which platform. So you have to mention that. So as advertised on LinkedIn, web company's website, or any newspaper classified area, with my background in relevant field or industry and my proven skills, I'm confident that I can make a valuable contribution to your team. So this person has written, this is just an example for you to make you understand how a cover letter is written, right? Moving ahead, why a person is interested. You also have to mention it over there in the cover letter, that why you are interested for this particular profile in this company only. I am particularly drawn to this company because of this specific reason. Like you may write what the reason what reason is attracting you to apply for that particular company, the innovative projects, or the good reputation in this industry, or the good commitment to the sustainability, whatever your reason is, right? I admire the aspect of company which you admire, the working culture or the company's policy, and eager to bring my expertise in this particular field to your team, right? Or you simply can say, I want to associate myself with this reputed or prestigious company or institution, whatever, wherever you are applying for, right? Now, moving ahead with the same topic, what are your qualifications? You will be mentioning, in my previous role, you'll be like mentioning your qualification and also your previous role, right? You'll describe your key responsibility, your achievement, and then what skills do you possess. Briefly describe accomplishment, briefly describe your accomplishment which you have achieved as per your experience in first company, second company, third company, whatever experience you have, right? That must align with the position you are applying for. Suppose you are applying for a marketing profile and you are showing the skills of, say, a dancer or a music teacher, that will not go with the profile, right? So you have to mention those skills which are aligning with your profile you are applying for. Next, contribution. What contribution you have made to your previous employer? So you just mentioned, I am enthusiastic about the opportunity to bring my specific skills to and help the company. I'm confident that my proactive approach and dedication will be a valuable asset to your team. So you have to mention why why they hire you. If they are hiring you, what contribution you will give to them. So you have to mention what you have contributed in your previous organization or to your previous employer, right? Moving towards the closing of the cover letter, you will be in the closing, you will mention that I have attached my resume for your review and would welcome the opportunity to discuss my background, skills, and enthusiasm, right? Thank you for your consideration of my application. I look forward for the possibility of contributing to your team, right? So you will be mentioning that you are looking for a positive response and you might get the chance to contribute in that particular organization, right? So this is the format, or you can mention in the closing part your name, your LinkedIn profile link, your contact number, and email address. Nowadays, LinkedIn profile link is a trend to mention, and it's optional also. If you mention it, it's good. People will like, it will give an impact that is you are updated and you are having a LinkedIn account. There they can go and check about your history, what you have, where you have worked, who all are in your professional network. So these things might get a close check. Now, some tips are there for customizing the template. So you must follow these tips. Research the company. Research the company means do the homework, means you go and research about the company you are applying for. Draw, or we can say not draw, create your message accordingly, according to the company and the role you are applying for. Highlight the relevant skills. Focus on skills and experience that match the job descriptions. Be specific, be specific. Use a specific example to demonstrate your accomplishment and skills. Keep it concise, keep it short and to the point, avoiding unnecessary details. Only use those details which are relevant, else uh, delete all the irrelevant details, right? Use professional tone. Always maintain a professional tone throughout the message. No slangs, no informal words should be there in that particular cover letter, right? Next is proofread. Check for spelling and grammatical errors before sending it to the company you are applying for, right? So these are the general tips which we must follow when we are customizing the template. Moving towards the next slide, we'll be taking the examples of company who are using these employability skills. Let's start one by one. First, we'll be taking the example of Google. So what Google is looking for, they are looking for communication. Like every organization, the very mandatory part they are looking for is the communication, right? You must know how to communicate, because we are living in the era where communication is very important. Without communication, we cannot express our ideas, our business deals, our innovations, right? So communication is the very mandatory skills and it is required by all the employers throughout the world. So it is universal skill, right? So communication, Google emphasizes clear communication across teams and departments, utilizing like Google Meet and Slack to facilitate effective communication. So they use tools like Google Meet and Slack for effective communication. We have already discussed in previous sessions also, right? Next is teamwork. Google fosters a collaborative environment with cross-functional teams working on different projects utilizing each member's strength, right? As we are working in a team, so we look for synergical results. We go for synergy, right? So we must foster a teamwork. So collaboration, cooperation, and teamwork is very important as we are working in cross-functional teams, people from cross culture, people from different backgrounds. We have to maintain the principle of teamwork over there by reducing the conflicts and overcoming the barriers, right? Next comes the problem solving. The company encourages innovative thinking by creating new ideas, problem solving, and thorough initiatives. 20% time where employee can work on projects outside their primary responsibility. So they want their employee to work more on problem solving skills rather than their primary responsibility. They develop their employees more into analytical thinking and problem solving. Let's see the other example. Now the other example is of Apple. Again, they also need communication. The next one is critical thinking. Apple focuses on critical thinking and innovation, encouraging employees to think outside the box and develop groundbreaking products. As we can say, Apple is an innovator, right? They came up with the iPhone, they came up with the smartwatches first, and then the other companies started copying it, right? So they were not able to copy the iPhone. Obviously, they started like Samsung came with Android, and the other companies started copying it. So, but Apple is the innovator. They are the truly innovators. They came up with the groundbreaking products with the very innovative ideas first, right? Next is adaptability. Employees are expected and in Apple to adapt quickly to new technologies and methodologies in a fast-paced environment. Yes, because they are working on technological advancements, so the employees are expected to be updated of every other new technology which is coming over there in the market. As I told you, market dynamic is very, very high. Markets are very high. They are coming up with advancement in a minute, in every second. So you have to be updated, right? Next is leadership. Leadership. Apple promotes leadership at all levels with opportunities for employees to lead projects and teams. Next comes is Microsoft. As we are talking about the IT companies, so Microsoft, obviously digital literacy, they require that employees must be proficient with latest digital tools and techniques supporting their ongoing learning and development. Next is initiative. At Microsoft, employees are encouraged to take initiatives, to take a step ahead for new projects, for contributing to innovative culture. So employees are asked to take initiatives, right? Next comes is the work ethics. Microsoft focuses on strong work ethics. Like they promote good work ethic over there. Employees are expected to deliver high quality work. Work ethics there is they want high productivity in terms of performance, in terms of behavior, without reducing the harmony and peace of the organization. They also have to maintain that coordination and cooperation among the employee, and at the same time they have to promote the strong work ethics. Moving towards the next example is Amazon. Now, here, what we can say is Amazon gives good customer service. They focuses on the culture of customer service, places a high value on customer service with a strong focus on meetings and exceeding customer expectations. Time management, attention to detail. Efficient time management is critical, especially in logistics and operation, to ensure timely delivery of products. So Amazon is focusing on customer service, time management, and attention to detail. Precision and attention to details are crucial, so they try to focus more on it, right? So what Amazon is doing, they are putting the more emphasis on customer service, obviously the time management and attention to detail. Now let's take the example of Tesla. What Tesla is doing, Tesla is focusing on innovation. Obviously, they are coming up with very new features. So Tesla thrives on innovation, encouraging employees to bring new ideas and solutions to the table. Resilience, working in a high pressure environment. Employees need resilience to cope with challenges and setbacks. So what here is they are focusing on resilience. Why? Because the working environment is a very high. There is a very much pressure. So what they need is they need to cope up from the setbacks. So they need a very positive environment for next working day. So team also focuses on collaboration. So team across different departments collaborate closely to bring complex projects like electronic vehicles and energy products to fruition, right? So Tesla focuses on innovation, resilience, and collaboration. Same if we talk about Deloitte, they goes for analytical skills, ethical judgment, and client management. Starbucks also looks for customer service, teamwork, and conflict resolution. So client management, as Deloitte is looking for client management, so they must have good interpersonal skills. They are also focusing on ethical judgment. So integrity is very essential. Analytical skills, why? Because they are dealing into projects, so they do require problem solving and strategic planning. So Starbucks is, as it's a food beverage outlet, so they work for customer service. So they need, in that case, they need fundamental employees, fundamental rules for customer service, that employee behavior must be good. They must communicate properly. Starbucks must promote teamwork um, among baristas and staff to create positive work environment and also conflict resolution. So they must train their employees to resolve conflict and to handle consumers complaint very efficiently without any issues. So we have discussed the companies which are using employability skills. ITC is also using the same customer focus because they are dealing into the FMCG sector. They are also focusing on leadership, innovation, and interpersonal skills, because when we are into the service sector, we have to check the employee behavior first, like how we are dealing with our customers. So this in total explains what employability skills are and what are its importance. So we'll do it till here only, then we'll continue in the next session.